Today on Stu's cookery class, we're going to be going back to basics. I'm going to be showing you guys how to boil an egg. Now, there's loads of different ways of doing it, and this isn't technically the sort of classical way of doing it, but it works really well for me. So I boil my kettle and fill a pan generously with water. I then put my eggs straight in and set the timer going straight away. So it's really important to be nice and gentle when you place these eggs in. So you have to use a spoon, you can't just drop them in, or you will end up with cracked shells by the time they're cooked. Now, I don't put a lid on, I just let it come to the boil, and I've set my timer for about 6 minutes, and that should get you a nice soft boiled egg. Now, it always depends slightly on your pan, on the heat you're using, on the temperature of the eggs, so you might have to adjust your timings by 30 seconds or so, but they shouldn't be far off at all. Now, the next one I've done for 10 minutes, so this is hard boiled. I'm going to show you a little trick for peeling them. So I've held this egg under some cold water just from the tap for about 20 seconds, and then I'm going to tap around the middle to crack the shell. The trick here is to peel up to the top of the egg and the bottom, just peel away those sort of sections first before you peel the middle part away, and this will mean you get a really nice smooth egg peel. And this is helpful if you're trying to sort of do whole eggs for a buffet. If you are just doing it for egg mayo or you're mashing it up, then it doesn't make too much difference. But personally, I think it's the easiest way to peel the egg. And that's it, really nice and simple and easy. If you like this video, I'm going to be releasing one for poached eggs and scrambled eggs as well, so hit that bell button to get notifications so you don't miss any future content. Why not also check out my midweek meals playlist or my beginners sources, some great videos.